All right, so what we did was to put the YouTube video is we went right between. Now make sure, okay, you press return. So I would put it at the end of the second paragraph and press return, and then at that point I would just see. The problem I'm seeing here is okay. Sorry, I kind of have a little bit maybe. Let's put center. Man, it's not still. Everything is changing. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Thank you. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and type in YouTube. Oops, not YouTube. So Luis Mario saves the day. So basically, what I did was I highlighted here, and what you can do at this point is paste the code that you have. So there you have it, right there. Okay, and there it is, the YouTube. And I think the best thing to do is where it says paragraph, you can just you can put align equals center as Lewis suggested, and then you got it in the center. So it's a combination of coding and a little bit of now for those of you who never coded before, next year if you're a junior, okay, and if you may want to take Miss Dorsey's class on coding, or Miss Robertson's, I think, teaches coding now, right? Roberts, right. Miss Roberts teaches coding. It's a good idea to take those classes to get used to this, okay? All right, so everybody go ahead and save this and open this up in Google Chrome or whatever browser. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and into my Finder. If I can open it up. There we go. So go to, you should have it in your folder structure, practice 2. I'm going to move the index out, and as you can see, my video appears right there. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now what I'd like to do is create videos along here. Okay. Everybody got the video? So now what I like to do is find a second video, whichever one you want. I mean, think about it. This is a $3 million to make that one robot. All right. So what you can do now is share. Let me see if I can find something here. A lot of times when we do videos, you can actually do it a couple of ways. I'm going to see if I can play the video at the left side. You broke my heart. Okay, you broke my heart. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and press share. So let me do this first, and then you can watch. As you can see, it's obviously not going to be 560. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, copy it. And then I'm going to go back into Dreamweaver. Let's just watch me first. Let me experiment. And then below this, I'm going to put in the word YouTube. I'm going to highlight it here. There it is. And then I'm going to paste. And let's see what happens. Yep, didn't work very well. Okay, so I'm going to paste it again. But this time I'm going to remove the width and the height. But this is not really how we want it done. Okay, so there you see there. It's too big. Let's do this, everybody. So instead of where it says, let's go ahead and paste it here. Yeah, this is going all over the place. Let's paste it here. Well, you know what? Let's do this. I'm sorry. I'm confusing everybody. This is the webmaster's mind frame. They just kind of think fast and they kind of go all over the place. What I think the best thing to do is, instead of doing what we're doing here, let's go ahead and screenshot. Okay, so in other words, right here, I'm going to save this icon. So save image as, and save it into your image folder. So I'm going to save this image, and I'm going to call it whatever it's called, and I'm going to go ahead and embed it into my right about here. So insert image, and I believe it's right here. Oops, it didn't save. Did anybody have a WEP form? You have a WEP form? When you save it, I think the best thing to do is do a screen capture. So Command-Shift-4 and just screen capture this. That might be your best bet. And then move it into your images folder. So right now I have it in my desktop. Okay, so if you click on desktop, there it is right there. And I'm going to go ahead and move that into my images folder for this project. Okay, and then you can go ahead and rename it. So you highlight that and you press the return key, and then you can call it YouTube1.png. Okay, there we have it. Should I repeat? And at this point, I go back into Dreamweaver, insert image, and then I put it, press open, there it is right there. I can shrink it a little bit. And then I'm going to show you how to link images. Okay, so everybody go ahead and do this first. Alright, so let's try about 2 or 3 videos. Actually, let's try 2 videos, so put one on top of the other. As you can see, this guy is really doing it. So you're looking at your future servers, your future waitresses, your future parking attendants, your future... Hey, as long as you get served. And unfortunately, I think you're looking at your future soldiers. They created this one robot. It looks like a woman. It acts like, it's like phenomenal.
Is it the ones that can carry babies to like?
No. I never heard of that one.
I think it's fake though. But they got crazy robot talking.
Huh? The one that talks like AI? They created a man and a woman version.
What's her name? Is it Sarah? What's her name?
Sarah, something like that, Cindy, or...
Yeah, something with an S or a system.
Okay, if I didn't give you enough time to add social media, now's the time to do it. Remember, there's only 3 file formats a website can accept. PNGs, PNGs, GIFs or GIFs, JPEGs. That's it. 3. Not TIFFs, not Photoshop files, not SVG, not WEP. When you are done. Okay, let's see how much time we got. So what I'd like you to do
make the thing. We should tell the school that to raise money so we can get a Boston Dynamics spot.
What do you mean? Well, you have to be. You want to go to Boston?
No, we get one from Boston Dynamics, the spot dog, the yellow thing.
Okay. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is compress your files that you've worked, your practice files, and upload it here. So I'll show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is right-click on the folder, compress, okay, and you'll see that it'll turn into a practice zip. And then that's what I like you to attach. I want to attach everything. Okay, I want to see your images, your index file. So basically right-click and compress, and then inside Google Classroom, please upload into U4L1 checkpoint 1. Okay? When you come in tomorrow, you'll create a second page on your own. We'll try to finish up this website, and then comes the big project where you're going to create your own website based on whatever you want, whoever you want. Okay? Based on tables. Then we work on CSS. And that's going to be fun.
Is it checkpoint 1?
Checkpoint 1, yes sir.